Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Timmy Samuel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can check your credit score. So if you are wondering if you have a bad credit score or you have a good credit score, or you want to find out, you want to be sure of your credit score, this video will teach you exactly how you can check your credit score. It is easy and simple. But before we dive in, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload any video, you will be the first to get the notice. So without much ado, let's get started. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that now and give us a thumbs up if you get value from this video. So in this video, I will be using Carbon app. Yes, Carbon app. Carbon app is a loan app. In my previous video, I talked about how you can get a loan from Carbon app. But in this video, I will show you how you can check your credit score on the Carbon app. So I will be using the Carbon app in this video. So to get the Carbon app, just go to your app store. It can be Google Play Store, it can be Apple Store. So just go to your phone app store and search for Carbon loan app. It will bring out the Carbon app. So when you bring it out, just install the app and create an account with the app. It is not necessary that you register an account and verify it with your BVN or your NIN. Since you want to check your credit score on the app and you are not using it for any other thing, then you don't need to put your BVN or your NIN. All you have to do is just create an account with your email address and your phone number and you are good to go. But if you want to get a loan from the app or you want to use it to perform any other financial transactions, then you may need to include your BVN, your NIN, your proof of address and all of that. But if you are not doing such, then you just want to use it to check your credit score, then you only require an email address and your phone number. So when you have successfully registered an account with Carbon, all you have to do is just log into the account. So once you are in your dashboard, just click on account as it is illustrated in the video. Now click on credit report and wait for it to load. As you can see, my credit score is very good. It is very perfect, 100% unique. On CRC Credit Bureau, I have 100% credit score. Though Blue Ridge Microfinance Bank recently reported me on July 26. Before July 26, they reported me that I was owing them a loan. I don't know. Actually, maybe I defaulted a loan maybe for a day or 2 days. So I was sanctioned and they reported me to the credit bureau, to this credit bureau, CRC. So when I pay back the loan, I think it was July 26, 2024. So they had to close it down and my credit score went back to normal. So now I have zero payment. I have zero due payment. I'm not owing anybody. I'm not owing any loan app. So my credit score is perfect. Now let's check the second credit bureau. Since these are the two major credit bureau we have in Nigeria, now let's move to the second one and see if my credit score is unique there. Wow, perfect. My credit score is also good and unique on First Central Credit Bureau. You can see no loan app have ever reported me to this credit bureau. I have zero issues with them. My credit score is perfect, 100% unique. So these are the two major credit bureau we have in Nigeria. You can simply check your credit score through the Carbon app. Thanks for watching this video. If you do get value from this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Once again, my name is Timmy Samuel.